This video is a long time coming, like over a year, honestly. So last August, Target released their Halloween items, and I saw this cloak and I had to have it. I had this whole idea for like a sun or star or something goddess, and making one of those headdresses that are from zip ties that I've seen all over Pinterest. But obviously 2020 was kind of a wash, so it's taken me like a full year to get to a place where I can finally bring my celestial goddess dreams to fruition. Step one is the cape. I had to lock Finn out of the room so I could film this because something about this gauzy fabric that he wants to just like lick, and he goes absolutely crazy. Like I turned my back for a second. This is what I'm talking about when I say he's obsessed. Stop it! Stop licking it. Finn, no, no. No. It's like too big for this camera. So cape. We have the cape. Gorgeous, celestial, makes me feel very regal. But the cape on its own is just a cape. So how do we make it more goddessy? That would be step two, which is a crown. Okay, in doing this, I never really found a tutorial, but then I probably just didn't look hard enough. I bought a cheap headband, a variety pack of zip ties, and some gold glitter star foam stickers for kids. And then I just went for it. Basically, you wrap the zip ties around the headband base and secure them as you do with zip ties. I alternated between the large, medium, and small ones to create this kind of aura or halo effect. And I like this headband that I got because it had two sections, which meant that I could kind of layer the zip ties, and that gave it more depth. Then I pulled out some ancient gold spray paint, prayed it wasn't dried up, and went to work spraying down the full headband. I left it to dry and then came back for the final touch, which was adding these glitter stars. Now my intention had been to hot glue the foam stickers on, but then I realized that even when they were hot glued, you could then peel the sticker backing off, so that was a bit of a bust. I then ended up just sticking them on like stickers, which meant there was a lot of sticky backing left over, which means it kind of gets covered in cat fur, but yeah, whatever. And then ta-da, headdress. Okay, step three, make myself look pretty. Now for step four, we gotta set up the camera, background, filming situation, which is admittedly always the most hard for me. I don't know why, I hate doing this part. And step five, photo shoot time. And pose. 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 Well, I definitely feel like a princess now. A goddess. Honestly, I probably should have dressed up like this and like hired someone who's a little bit better at photography than me. It's very difficult to try to do a video of me taking photos. I only have so much equipment. Ah! I also don't really have a lot of backdrops, like large backdrops in my apartment. I have like very small areas that look good for a backdrop, but then when you zoom out from that to get sort of the full body, it's not really what I want. Also, the number of times I hit this while trying to take the cape on and off. It was a mess. You just forget that it's there. It's very light. It's not in any way like a burden to have on my head. It just feels like a normal headband, other than when I like whack it into stuff. Obviously that's a problem. I feel very superhero-esque when I like kind of put the cape farther back here. Haha! Like I'm just gonna fly off into the sky. It definitely warrants a lot of twirling. But this was really fun. I feel very cool and pretty. Thanks for coming along on this celestial goddess ride with me. You know I always enjoy making things like this, even if they stress me out in certain ways. If you enjoyed this video and you want to see more videos like it, then remember to subscribe and turn on that notification so that you'll actually get reminded of my videos. And you can always follow me over on Instagram for all the rest of my creative content. If you're watching this in real time, have a happy Halloween, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.